Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a no-sew fabric mask. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a square fabric that is 17 inches by 17 inches. You could use an old shirt, you could use a t-shirt. And I'm going to fold this into thirds. So fold it over like this and then like this. And I'm going to show you two methods, one with hair elastics and one with just a piece of fabric if you don't have hair elastics. So approximately here, I'm going to pass my elastics on. Now fold this in, fold this side in, that up, and tuck that end inside. And there's the face mask, and you can just put it on by passing these over your ears. If you don't have hair elastics, take a piece of fabric, and it could be t-shirt fabric, and just tie it like that. Tuck that end in, and then you can use these to tie it around your head. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make a no-sew fabric face mask. I hope you found this video useful.